Good morning, dear students. In last lecture, we have studied about the organometallic compounds. In organometallic compounds, we have discussed about the introduction, definition, nomenclature and classification of the organometallic compounds. So today, we are going to learn about the alkyls and aryls of organolithium compounds. Alkyls and aryls of organolithium compounds. So before this, let me know that what are these organolithium compounds. So likewise, in last lecture we have defined the organometallic compounds. In organometallic compounds, or what are the organometallic compounds? Organometallic compounds are those compounds which contain metal carbon bond. Metal carbon bond. So in metal carbon bond, carbon should be a part of the organic molecule, and metal it will be, or it may be from the transition metals, or it may be F block element, or it may be D block element. So likewise, we can also define the organolithium compound. So what are the organolithium compounds? Organolithium compounds are those compounds containing lithium carbon bond. Lithium carbon bond. So these bond containing lithium carbon bond containing compounds are called as the organolithium compounds. In organolithium compounds, we have to study the first methods of preparation of the organolithium compounds. Then we have to study some properties of the organolithium compounds, and then we will study the structure and bonding involved in the organolithium compounds, and finally we will see the applications of organolithium compounds. So dear students, let's start first the methods of preparation of the organolithium compounds. And the organolithium compounds contain LiC or lithium carbon bond. इसमें ऑर्गेनोलिथियम कंपाउंड्स में क्या होते हैं? लिथियम कार्बन बॉन्ड होता है ना? तो अभी अगर हम देखें तो इसका जो लिथियम का एटॉमिक नंबर हमें पता है, इसका एटॉमिक नंबर है 3, और इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इसका क्या होगा? 2 1। अगर हम एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में ये न्यूक्लियस है, फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में इट कंटेन्स 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, एंड इन लास्ट ऑर्बिट इट कंटेन्स ओनली 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, राइट? सो इन ऑर्डर टू कंप्लीट इट्स ऑक्टेट इट नीड्स 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन. It needs 7 electron to complete its octet. Okay, so it is not possible for this lithium atom to accept 7 electron from the any other element. Why? Because क्या होगा कि जो भी कोई एलिमेंट होगा जिसके पास 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे, तो वो क्या करेगा? किसी एलिमेंट के पास से वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके अपना ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करेगा, राइट? सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर एनी एलिमेंट टू गेन 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन टू दिस लिथियम एटम, करेक्ट? फिर क्या करेगा ये लिथियम एटम? कोई दे नहीं सकता इसको, तो ये लिथियम विल लूज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन. Okay, this 1 electron, and it will be converted into lithium ion, or we called it as a cation. Okay, so as it forms a cation, we called that this lithium ion or lithium is a very reactive, or it is highly reactive. कैसा है ये? It is हाईली रिएक्टिव होता है. इसीलिए क्या होता है कि ये जो ऑर्गेनोलिथियम कंपाउंड्स को बनाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है हाईली रिएक्टिव होने के कारण. और सिंस इट इज हाईली रिएक्टिव, सम इनर्ट एटमॉस्फेयर इज प्रोवाइडेड for the preparation of all these organolithium compounds. इसके लिए क्या होता है कि इसके प्रिपरेशन के लिए और इसके मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन में क्या होता है कि इसको जो भी जितने भी हमें ऑर्गेनोलिथियम कंपाउंड्स अगर बनाने हैं तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, इनर्ट एटमॉस्फेयर प्रोवाइड करना पड़ता है। क्यों इनर्ट एटमॉस्फेयर प्रोवाइड करना पड़ता है? क्योंकि अगर ये हाईली रिएक्टिव होने की वजह से ये क्या होता है कि किसी भी जैसे कोई भी रिएक्शन अगर होती है तो उसमें वाटर वेपर्स, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऐसे रिएक्टेंट्स होते हैं, तो उसके साथ वो रिएक्ट होके प्रोडक्ट के साथ साथ कुछ साइड प्रोडक्ट्स भी फॉर्म करते हैं, बराबर है। इसीलिए हम क्या करते हैं कि इसके साथ जब भी इसका प्रिपरेशन करते हैं या तो इसको बनाया जाता है ऑर्गेनोलिथियम कंपाउंड्स को, तो उसको हम क्या करते हैं, इनर्ट एटमॉस्फेयर प्रोवाइड करते हैं। नाउ लेट्स सी the methods of preparation. First point, methods of preparation of the organolithium compounds. प्रिपरेशन हम देखते हैं इसका। अब प्रिपरेशन में क्या लिखेंगे कि being a highly reactive, what being reactive in nature or being highly reactive in nature, these organolithium compounds are prepared in inert atmosphere of nitrogen and argon. So being highly reactive in nature, being highly reactive in nature, these organolithium compounds are prepared in inert atmosphere of nitrogen or argon. Okay, so let's see the first method of preparation. So let's see the methods of preparation of organolithium compounds. First method is the metal-metal exchange method of preparation of organolithium compounds. So what happened in this metal-metal exchange method? Highly reactive metal get exchanged by the less reactive metal. What happened in this method? Highly reactive metal get exchanged with the less reactive metal. So just let's see the example. Twice Li plus R2Hg. Here in these reactants there are two metals, lithium and mercury. So since lithium is highly reactive, lithium get replaced or get exchanged with this mercury and forms, but here some catalyst is used, or in the presence of ether, here the catalyst used is ether. It forms RLI plus Hg. Okay, twice. So dear students, let's see some preparation or let's see the preparation of some organolithium compounds by this metal-metal exchange method. So in metal, as we know that in metal exchange method, highly reactive metal get exchanged by the less reactive metal. So see the example here, twice Li, it is a general reaction, twice Li reacts with R2Hg and it forms twice RLiHg. So in this reaction, it is a general reaction. What happened? This highly reactive lithium atom get exchanged with this less reactive mercury element and forms these organolithium compounds, general organolithium compounds RLi, twice RLi and H. Now particular example is here, instead of R we have taken here dimethyl mercury, means lithium reacts with dimethyl mercury and it forms methyl lithium. This is the another example. In this way you can form the aryls of organolithium compounds also. So here twice Li reacts with the diphenyl mercury and it forms phenyl lithium. Here also in the same way lithium atom get exchanged, highly reactive lithium get exchanged with the less reactive mercury. Now let's see the second method of preparation